What's up, guys? I don't know why, but I was just watching FaZe right now, and I just put on what? Fuck! I just dropped a washer too. So I got some new bolts for my bike because the other ones that I had on my handlebars were fucking stripped. And I'm just gonna finish putting. I think I'm gonna need my stand really quick. So in this video, I was really just going to put the rest on. See how that goes. I'm gonna have to do it outside because my only parent really doesn't like me doing it. Doesn't want me to do it inside. Seem like, and I am to most people, really disrespectful because I'm a complete fucking asshole to people. But I'm not a fucking piece of shit sometimes. Sometimes. Some of my friends are probably watching like, you're a piece of shit all the time, faggot. Alright. Hold on. So I got these on yesterday. I think it looks really nice with my bike. And I put these on this morning. I got some valve caps for it too. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. I'm a fucking idiot. And while I was putting the right one on, this one, right there, I was trying to loosen it and I fucking hit my knuckle on the spoke. And I hit my thumb too. And it chipped my fucking fingernail, so that kinda hurt. So I guess this is a good angle. I don't fucking know. Right now I'm wearing all gray and I got some stupid fucking joggers on. I'm gonna go get my tool set. Oh, fuck. So I have no idea where my Allen wrench is. And really, that's all I'm gonna look for in this fucking toolbox right now is my Allen wrench. You know, it's probably not in here. It's probably inside. And I thought I had something in here. Yeah. No. No, I don't. Well, that's just fucking great. You know what? I think, yep, this is it. Okay. So I guess I don't have to bitch about anything in this video. I'm gonna put these two in on the head of my bike right now. I think these look pretty fucking cool. There's some like this, except they were more of a blue. Well, they were blue, you fucking retard. More of a blue. But yeah, they were blue. This is too big. That's what she said. I don't know, is it ever too big? Yes. Fuck. It's always fucking hard when I'm doing it by my fucking self every time. I gotta sit on my fucking bike to do this shit. Ow. Fuck. Hurt my wrist doing that. Come on. Just unloosen now. Fucking bitch. Fuck you, bitch. I have no fucking life, guys, so I only use my joggers like fucking pajamas now. I was planning on wearing them to school this year, but then I was like, fuck it. And I was like, these are my pajamas, you know? They work pretty good. And now my old bolt is stuck on this fucking Allen wrench, dude. I'm using some fucking wire cutters. I have no idea why. Come on, stop being a fucking bitch. That like hurt my knuckle. Oh Lord, baby Jesus, there's a fire. Come on. One thing that really pisses me off. Fuck you, mate. Fucking God. I had to like slap it off. So I'm putting this one on. Hopefully don't get stuck on the Allen wrench too. I really like these though. And I was like thinking ahead when I was buying my bike. I was like, should I get the black version? And like the black version of the Prospect would really match with this color too. Like black and gray, I always thought matched with almost everything. If you look in all my videos, I'm always wearing either black or gray. With like some other color. Fuck you. To it.
What's up?
What are you doing?
Throwing this out.
Really? Wrong trash can, boy.
Which one's the right one?
The ones in the back.
Which one, though?
Any of them?
Does it really matter?
No, it doesn't matter which trash can in the back as long as it has a lid. So the squirrels don't bite into it. Doesn't matter. Ah. That fucking hurt. I don't want to fucking strip these out already.
You recording yourself?
Yeah, because I have a YouTube channel. Do you know that?
Yeah. Does Tristan as well?
Yeah, but he gives up after like 5 videos.
So you're literally recording right now?
Uh-huh. Oh, where's my other? Okay. I'll be YouTube famous too. I'm not gonna be famous ever. It's gonna take like 7 years.
If you put in enough work, you'd take a lot less time than that. Tobuscus blew up in like a couple of months.
Except he died out fast too.
That's true.
So the people that take a couple years to get out there, they last longer. I got 40 subscribers and I thought I had my channel for like 5 years, it felt like. I've only had it for like a year now. So that's surprising. But still, I think that's horrible that I only have 40 subscribers.
Dude, you just gotta keep working at it.
I know, now I'm good. I was like always promising that I'm gonna make videos, and now I'm actually gonna start making 3 videos every week. That's how I'm gonna have it. I was live streaming. I was going to till like 12 in the morning. I thought it was like 11 or something, and it was like only 8.
Oh man.
And I ended up quitting because I got bored.
Do you ever record your video games?
Yeah, but I'm gonna buy an Elgato capture card, so it's like almost like they're playing the video game themselves. It's just HD quality, really. And then I'm gonna start recording my gameplay on that.
Cool. Well, good luck, man.
Do you think these look good, though? What do you think? New bolts, valve caps.
Oh yeah. This is sick, man.
God. What do I do this next? Suck my ass. So if you guys are watching, You like my boring videos? You should leave a like. Because my eyebrows are on fleek. There's this one girl I know. Oh my god. Like, if you say eyebrows on fleek, it's really just making fun of her. It's just funny, though. Her eyebrows are fucking huge. And you can tell she draws them on. I guess it's... I don't know. My friends think I'm weird because I think makeup's unattractive. It's fucking disgusting. Especially when they overdo it. I fucking hate makeup. I don't like it at all. So I'm kind of trying to keep this straight so I don't fucking strip my new bolts. Okay. Keep it straight up. Oh my god. I'm hoping I didn't fuck it up. Just gonna ride over here. I'm gonna do like a small bunny hop. Just see if it feels good. See if I fall on my face. Yeah, I think it's holding up good. Sounds like I need to tune up my bike. Yeah. But, does that look good? Can you guys even see? And then we got this side. Plus right here. And I'm about to do the back bolts maybe. So yeah. Slide. Rolling into your DMs. Woo! So guys, ended up getting it on. Now I wanted to tighten my chain in the process. It actually has a little bit of slack, but I got both of the bolts on. I think I need to tighten the chain more. Let me see how good it feels. It feels really good. I love it. So, I guess I'll take... Damn it. I kind of like really scratched this right here, trying to fucking tighten it right now. I'm pissed off about that. But this is just a little bit of what I did. I got that in. That one. Oh, there's not much light. That one. We got the hubcaps, bolts on both sides. Same on the back. I think it looks really nice. Do you feel a little hops on it? Also, I tightened my chain while I was at it. It's a lot tighter than it was earlier. I'll tighten it some other time, like how I really want it. I was just tightening it really fast this time, just so it's good enough. And I'm gonna kind of record me doing some hops right there. I'm gonna get a video of me jumping over that little part right there. slipping on ice, so I didn't want to go too fast. I was gonna fuck up or something. So I'll actually jump it this time. Just let me turn around. It didn't sound that good. I don't like it. Because it only makes that sound when like bars like are moving. So I'm gonna end the video right there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like. And if you want to get 3 videos a week from now on, subscribe. And yeah. Oh god, it just got really cold out here. Yeah, if you guys liked the video, smash that like button. 40 people, I could get 40 likes. If you don't like it, just dislike it. Simple as that. Anyways, let's head back inside. Got all the bolts on. Pretty happy with it. And I tightened my chain process. I really like that. But anyways, I look weird holding a whole stand, like tripod in my hands right now. My neighbors just look at me like I'm a retard. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna edit some parts out because I took too long. But see you guys in the next video.